Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. My name is Prashanja. So now we are going to take a next question, and the next question is why, or we can say that why Python is called as dynamically typed language. Okay, dynamically, we can say the dynamically typed language. Oh, this is also very important question I'm going to cover here. So I think this is very helpful for all of you. Okay, I think so. So why Python is called as a dynamically typed language? Because boss, here in Python there is no need to declare a data type externally or explicitly. We can say that one of the same thing. But in Python there is no need to declare the data type explicitly, as like in C and CPP we have to use the data type int, float, double externally. Okay, we have whenever we have to declare a variable, whenever we have to assign a value into the variable, initialize the variable, first of all we have to declare the type of variable. Okay, because as you know that what is the data type. So point is that here why means I'm asking that why in Python is not possible, because see, first of all it is already done by uh, Python. When the Python was developed, so it is already declared. And whenever we can say about that, any ID, any technology, whenever we are using, if it is so easy to use it, so there is a more and more advantage we can see, and we can use that the use of that technology will increase, obviously, because nobody want means as an end user, as a developer also, we don't want to write a lot of code. And right now, as you know that with the help of AI, if you're building a project, it's very easy to build a project, if your project is not so complicated. Okay, by the way, let's come to this point of what I'm talking about. We have to just discuss this thing, because this is our very important question: why Python is called as a dynamically typed language. So my answer is very simple: because in Python there is no need to declare a data type explicitly. Okay, that means externally there is no need to write the data type, only you have to store the value. So based on your data type, based on your value, sorry, based on your value, internally your Python interpreter, because as you know that Python is a interpreted programming language, so internally your Python interpreter play a very important role. So your Python virtual machine is nothing but your Python interpreter. And Python interpreter, what it does exactly, it check the value. What is the type of value? If it is an integer type of value, it will assign the integer data type. If it is a float type of value, it will assign the float data type. If it is a string type of value, it will assign the string data type. Because in Python there is no we can say that any character data type. So ultimately, when you write a single quote or double quote, it belongs to your string class. So based on the value, your Python interpreter, your Python virtual machine take a decision. Okay, which type of value? This is a integer type of value. So with respect to integer value, it assign the integer data type. Okay, so let's. I'm just going to write here like very simple, like mass equal to like 50. Then physics, I'm just going to write here it's 60. Then I'm going to write a chemistry, it is going to be 70. Then I'm going to take something like these are the three paper marks. Okay, again I'm taking. Okay, but instead of that, what I can do exactly, pi equal to, I can just take a 3.14. I have to take a different type of value. Okay, so name equal to, like, I'm just going to take a my nickname, like so. Okay, and then I'm going to take another value like result equal to, like, boolean value. I'm just going to take a boolean value. Okay, so if we talk about that, so we have five types of fundamental data types, like integer, float, string, this kind of. So here we have taken. Okay, so maths by name result equal. Okay, so now we have to check the data type. So as you know that here, no, we have not write down any data type externally. Okay, so based on the value internally, interpreter will take a decision, and it will assign that respective class of that value. Okay, because that everything is an object in the Python, so it assigns the class of respective of that value. Okay, in the respect of that value, we can say that. So print, inside the print we will use the type function, and the type function will take the maths. Okay, that's great. Then another print, because it's very important type, because see, the type function used to return the data type, data type or type class. We can data type class, so it return the data type class, and that is very important to understand it. So pi, another is like that. Then print, I will take another type function. So I'll just take what is my next is name. Okay, then other I will take a print. Inside of that, I will take another type function and I'll take a result. So we have to check that, and then we have to check the data type of every variable. As you know, that is the integer. Mass is the integer type of, we can say that integer type of class as assigned. Here the float and the string and the boolean. Okay, so let's go and run. Uh, yeah. So you can see here internally all the respective classes has assigned as per the value. Okay. Because everything is object in Python, as you know that. So it assigned the class internally. So this is your, that's why we can say that why Python is called as a dynamically typed language. So this is your answer, guys. When you get this interview question in your, when you get this kind of interview question in your interview, so definitely you have to give a proper answer. Take an example, when you take the example, it create a value, and it is always very, very important to take the example. So I just always suggest you guys to take the example, okay, and explain your answer. So that is the best way. I hope it is understandable. So we'll see you in the next, we will say, in the next question, okay, in the next round.